Most recently, I got a replacement transmission. Unfortunately, it was time. The motor has about 125 and the heads are pretty fresh. I just had the ball joints replaced. I had one rear axle done because it was time. But yeah, this is the 4Runner. It's got a 3-inch Old Man Emu lift on it with Bilstein 5100s. Under the hood, I've got a cold air intake from K&N, an Airraid K&N Cold Air Intake. Some of the things I carry with me, things like the InReach Mini. You can see how I mount my GoPros. Carry some Windex to make sure that all the bugs get scraped off the windshield so I can actually film. This is a Yakama Load Warrior with the extension. I've got a Midland radio, and that's the antenna. I mounted the radio, or the radio is mounted where the ashtray goes. So I pulled the ashtray out, and with a little bit of Dremel work, just a tiny bit, I was able to slide that right in there and it mounted up super nice. But yeah, this is my 4Runner. Replacements that are coming soon. This is getting replaced. These fog lights, you can see this one's been bashed pretty good. They don't work. They've never worked since I had the truck. These are the bugs that were all over my windshield. I run a set of steel wheels. I know a lot of guys use alloy wheels. This wheel right back here, let's see if we can find the spot. Right here, you can see where it's a little bit rusty and it's just a touch wavy. I hit a rock. This wheel was on the passenger front. I hit a pretty good rock and it V'd out so that the wheel was actually sticking out like this. I hit the rock just like right like that. And my buddy George had a sledgehammer. He just gave it a couple of good whacks, and I broke out the compressor and added some more air, and it held air. So I've been driving on it ever since. When I got back from that trip, we were on the Mojave Road at the time. When I got back from that trip, the first thing I did was I bought a sledgehammer to keep in the truck with me. But yeah, I'm super happy with this 4Runner. It's gotten me into some really, really cool places. Up Boreas Pass, I've done the Mojave Road. I've gone to Moab, Canyonlands. Yeah, all over the place. Lots of time in Joshua Tree, up in Old Dale. Tons of time out here in Anza Borrego and Dos Cabezas. But it's time for more adventures. The truck's feeling fresh.